playing with my tiles. This is about... And everything's falling apart. What if I use a Billy Mays here? What fantastic super glue. What does he do?
Hi, Billy Mays.
Gotta get some Billy Mays shit.
Mighty Putty.
Ah! Well, I broke everything now. Billy Mays super glue.
Mighty Putty.
Am I supposed to touch it? Is that bad? Lightly to adhese the adhesive. The flame's not big enough. Oh shit! Oh my
You're a fucking idiot.
You go to hill and go down.
Why are you getting crazy?
Are you crazy?
You're fucking...
You fucking... You fucking...